Rightio. So here we are. As I said, we've got the original board and the red jarrah. Now watch this. This is just a damp cloth, right? That I'm putting on this wood here. Oh my gosh. And when we oil these up, like you can see, I'll just go straight across to that. Now I'll go in close here. There's the old wood, and then we come up to the sanded jarrah. Isn't that just gorgeous? Hey? And that's just a damp cloth. It's starting to dry out at the moment. I'll put the damp cloth on him again. Isn't that a stunning bit of wood? So this was getting thrown out, right? So rather than that, I mean, if you put the water on it, that's what that looks like. And there you go, folks. So there's the difference. There's the difference. Isn't that absolutely stunning? I really like this dark patch here too. That looks quite nice. So there you go, folks. I think I'm in frame. Really gives you an example of what I'm doing here and how you can restore something new from something old. Old Peter crappy old sheep shearing shed floorboard, tongue and groove. And as I said, it was all piled up, ready to be thrown out. Or you see me just give it a quick sand, and I'll actually be routing off the tongue. We don't need that, and the groove won't matter so much because I don't think you'll see it. So rather than take that off, I don't want to make them too skinny. This is a nice width, I think. There. So there we go. Pretty good, eh? Pretty good. And yeah, this is going to be the framing for these panels. But I just don't think the two together look any good like that. I really don't. That's just a bit of damp water that'll come out. That'll dry out, I should say. Yeah, I don't like it's too much. There is something I want to show you here though. I'll have to take you off the let's give that little white damp cloth there, but it's a bit of grain in here. I'll show it to you. Take you off there, bring you down here. Hello. Is that Scully bending over there in that grain? Oh well, now moving right along. Oh yeah, hello, chocolate starfish. That's in the thing. But what a difference! What a difference that is. We go from here. It's a crappy old undone wood or untreated wood, just standard straight from the shearing shed floor, to the sanded piece. And the light is really not doing it any justice at all. Yeah, I'm not giving you the best it can be. The sun over there, she's behind the clouds. See that? So, but it's still yeah, it's not giving you a true representation. But yeah, the old and the new, and it's a gorgeous red. You know, it's not like rose. It's not rosewood or anything like that. But yeah, I just like it, jarrah. I really like it, jarrah. Don't mind the old, you know, if that was walnut, if those panels were walnut, yum. But they're not. And this is all salvage stuff, folks. It's all cost me nothing except time. And yeah, I'll take it off your hands, mate. Not knowing for sure what I was going to do with those, to be honest. I thought they'd be lining a shed, and sure enough they are. And we've cut them to size, to what I think. And yeah, there we go. So just an example of what we're doing here for the studio, for the iSpike studio. Alrighty, they've got to pack up. It's coming up close to the end of the day for me, and I'll see you in the next one. Alrighty. What do you reckon, Supervisor Scully down here? Good job, mate. Good job. Hey, good job. We done all right today? Yeah, you done all right, mate. You done all right. Alrighty. See you later, people. Thanks very much. Ta-da. See you later, people. Thanks very much for your support, membership, and we'll see you in the next BTS. Who and Roo. Ta-da.